Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to study English language grammar tree. Children, take out chapter 8 and page number 47. New chapter A and An. Let's begin. Circle the animals whose names begin with A, E, I, O, U. Circle the animals whose names begin with A, E, I, O, U. You see, cow. C-O-W, cow. So, circle the animals. You see, A, owl. O-W-L, owl. So, you circle owl. Okay. O, begin with O. So, circle the animal. Okay. Eagle, circle. Tiger, no, not. Cow. Fox, no. So, elephant, circle E, begin with E. So, you circle tiger, no. Lion, no. Zebra, no. So, bear, no. Monkey, M. So, you circle the animals whose names begin with A, E, I, O, U. So, do it on your own. Okay, children? Next, A, E, I, O, U are called what? Vowels. It's very important. Remember, A, E, I, A, E, I, O, U are called what? Vowel. Vowels is very important. Memorize this. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So, read the letters from A to Z. A, B, C, D, you know. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, the letter is red. Above are called vowels. You see, letter, red color. So, the letters is red. Above are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. So, all the other letters are called what? Called consonants. Okay, vowels and consonants. Check your progress. Next, underline the words which begin with a vowel. One has been done for you. So, you see picture first. You see the picture. See umbrella. You know you vowels. So, the word the word you underline. Okay. Next, lion. This is L. L is consonants. So, you don't underline. You don't not mark. Underline, not underline. Okay. Next, you see airport. See airport. A. Beginning letter. Starting letter. You see A is vowel. So, you underline. Okay. Next, baker. See B. Okay. The start letter is consonant. Okay. Next, onion. O. Starting letter O. Beginning letter O. So, underline. Okay. Vowels. E vowels. So, egg. underline. Ostrich, O, underline. Book, consonant. Alligator, vowels, A, start. So you underline. So underline the word umbrella, aeroplane, onion, egg, ostrich, alligator. Understood? Next, look at the pictures given below. Look at the pictures given below. A mango, an apple, a man, an octopus, a bag, and an orange. So see, first mango, M is consonant. That's why you write A. A mango. Apple, A vowel. You write and man, C, M consonant. So you write here A. Octopus, O vowel. That's why you write here, write an. Okay, an octopus. A bag, B, B-A-G, bag, B consonant. So a bag. Orange, O vowels. So you write an orange. The words given above are naming words. Above are naming words. We use a or an when we talk about one naming word. Okay. Example, one naming words. So a ball is right. An apple, right. A pen, right. An orange, right. Is right. When to use an? When to use an? We use an before a naming word that is one and begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. So you see, an apple. Apple, A. Vowel sound, A, P, P, L, E, apple. So vowel sound. So you write here, your sound is apple, A. So you write an apple. Egg. So sound E, egg. So you write an. Vowel sound. So we use an before a naming word that is one and begins with a vowel sound. O-X, ox. So sound is O, ox. So write N. Listen first sound. Begin with a vowel sound. Okay. First you see sound uncle. U-N-C-L-E. So sound U. Uncle, U. So you write an uncle. Ink pot. Ink pot. Okay. So you write an. So you see children, A-E-I-O-U is vowel. So vowel sound, again I repeat, we use and before a naming word that is one and begin with a vowel sound. Okay. So practice A or an. Page 47, 48, 49. Okay, I finished 50. Page 50 also. When to use A? We use A before a naming word that is one and begin with a consonant sound. Consonant sound: book, school, dog, man, car, house, you use a. Check your progress. Join a or an with correct words. Pay attention to the first sound of the word. One has been done for you. First you see girl. You see girl. Fish, aeroplane, igloo, eraser, horse, owl. You find it first. What? Okay, first vowel. You find first vowel. So girl. Okay, I write first girl. Face. Follow me everyone. Aeroplane, igloo, eraser, horse, owl. So first you find first vowel. E, A, I, E, O. A, E, I, O, U. You know. So A, I find it and underline A, E, I, O. So you write an. Okay, an. And consonant G, girl, consonant F, fish, consonant H, consonant sound. So you write here A. So children, memorize this. A, E, I, O, U is vowels, and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are consonant. Repeat again. Vowels A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Memorize this. So children, I hope that everyone understood. Practice nicely. 47, 48, 49 and 50.